Example 3. In the given diagram, A, 4, 3, B, -1, -2, and C, -2, 5 are given. Determine the following. The coordinates of D, the midpoint of AC. Prove that AC is perpendicular to BD. The area of triangle CDB. Solution. Let us find out the coordinates of D, the midpoint of the line segment AC. The formula for the coordinates of the midpoint of a line segment is x equals x1 plus x2 over 2 and y equals y1 plus y2 over 2. Substituting the values, we get the coordinates of the midpoint. X is equal to 4 plus -2 over 2, and y is equal to 3 plus 5 over 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4. The coordinates of D are 1, 4. Is AC perpendicular to BD? In the case of two perpendicular lines, the product of their gradients is always equal to -1. Let us determine the gradients of AC and BD. Substituting the values for A and C, we get the gradient of the line AC. M1 equals 5 minus 3 over -2 minus 4. Therefore, M1 is equal to -1 over 3. The gradient of AC is -1 over 3. Now, let us substitute the coordinates of B and D to determine the gradient of BD. M2 is equal to -2 minus 4 over -1 minus 1. Therefore, M2 is equal to 3. Let us now find the product of the gradients. M1 times M2 is equal to -1 over 3 times 3 equals -1. We see that the product of the gradients is -1, hence the lines are perpendicular. The area of triangle CDB. The area of triangle CDB can be easily calculated if we know the length of the base and the perpendicular height of the triangle. In triangle CDB, if CD is considered as the base, then BD becomes the perpendicular height. Let us determine the length of the base and the height of the triangle using the distance formula. Recall the distance formula. Substituting the values for point C and D, we get D1 equals square root of 1 minus -2 the whole square plus 4 minus 5 the whole square. Therefore, base CD is equal to square root of 10. Substituting the values for point B and D in the distance formula, we get D2 is equal to square root of -1 minus 1 the whole square plus -2 minus 4 the whole square. Therefore, height BD is equal to 2 times square root of 10. Now, the area of the triangle is given by substituting the values in the equation, we get, therefore, area is equal to 10 square units.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.